Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will teach you how to update the existing record of the database table using SQL. So let's start. This is a table data, student table data. For update any record we need three things. First update, second set, and third where. So we will write first update table name is student. Set suppose we want to set the address and we want to set the address Karachi. Where, in where we mention the condition. Suppose for student ID 1 we want to update the record, so let's execute. Where add student ID is equal to 1, so one row updated. Now let's check the address of the student 1. So student 1 address is now Karachi. Now let's see other examples. Suppose we want to set the address, update the address from student ID 1 to 5. So we will write update student set address is equal to, for example, we want to set it as a Islamabad, where student ID between 1 and, for example, 5. So 5 rows will be updated. Let's select all the records to see the updation. So select static from student. You can see the address of first 5 students are now updated to Islamabad. If we want to update the addresses of student ID greater than 5, for example, so we can do that. Update student set address is equal to Karachi, where student ID is greater than 5. So 10 rows will be updated. Select static from student. You can see the address of student ID greater than 5 are all Karachi. Roll back. With rollback, all the previous action will be undo. So after selecting all the data, you can see it's rollback now. Suppose you want to set the name, so in similar way you can set the name of the student. Suppose we write update student set name is equal to Zahur, where in where we can give ID, if but instead of ID we can mention any column name. Suppose we write where name is equal to Ali, where name is equal to Ali. So the new name of Ali will be Zahur in the updated table. You can see Zahur in the first row. So this is the update command. If we write query like update student set address, set name is equal to Kashif. What will happen if you don't write the where? So what will happen? This will update all the rows. If we don't write the where condition, so it will update all the rows. Let's check the results. Select static from student. So the name of all the names are now Kashi. So we roll back it again. Select static from student. Suppose we want to delete only the contact number of the student ID 15. So how we can do that? So we can update it like update student set contact is equal to null, where contact is equal to 1111. One row updated. So the student ID 1 contact will be now null. Let's check. Select static from student where student ID is equal to 1. So the contact is null for the student ID. Let's take another example. Suppose we write update student set name is equal to null. We want to make name attribute null. So we will check either this query will be executed or not. So it will not execute it. So what is the problem? Cannot update student.name to null because we have put constraint not null on name. So this is the violation of the not null constraint. So it will be not executed unless and until we drop the constraint not null from the name. Similarly, if the two contact number are same, we want to update any row and keep the contact same with the previous record, any record, so it will also not be updated because we have put constraint unique on the contact. So let's check update student set contact is equal to 2222 where student ID is equal to 1. So 2222 is a contact number of the student ID 2 and we want to make it for the student ID 1. So it will not execute it. Why? Because we the constraint unique is imposed on the contact. Similarly, there is a constraint on the edge and the constraint is that it will check the value if the edge is not greater than 20, so it will not be inserted. So let's check update student set edge is equal to 10 where student ID is equal to 1. Check constraint. So there is a check constraint on the edge. So we cannot violate the constraints. Similarly, there is a constraint on the student ID, which is a primary key, and the characteristic of primary key is that it will not be null and it should be unique. So let's check update student set student ID is equal to 1. यूनिक कंस्ट्रेंट, ठीक है, तो यूनिक कंस्ट्रेंट जो है ना बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इस पे लगा है, तो 1 जो है ना 1 सारों का एक जैसा नहीं हो सकता। सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट को मैं अपडेट कर रहा हूँ, सेट स्टूडेंट आईडी इज इक्वल टू नल। so it cannot insert a null value for the student ID because of the primary key. So thank you for watching this video and wait for the next video. Thank you so much.